Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dead Space game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Dead Space game and click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to delete games save file PS5. First, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Dead Space. Next is to check storage space on console. First, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Now choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. Now here change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to reinstall Dead Space. For that, highlight Dead Space on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Dead Space again to check for the error. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.